The traditional way to find oil was to look for large reservoirs, but in fact, oil's not found in a big tank. It's found in rocks that look like this, with billions of tiny connected pores. We drill a straight well, pressure from the overlying layers squeezes the oil up the drill string to the surface. But many of these reservoirs have been found. So we're looking for new ways to find oil in rocks like this. The oil here migrated from the source rock here, which we know was once organic mud. This rock too contains tiny pores, but they're so microscopic that producers had no way to get the oil out economically. Now, with horizontal drilling and fracturing directly in this layer, we're producing oil from so-called unconventional reservoirs, directly from the source rock. And there are other new sources of oil, like oil shale, which looks like this. The organics here, dead plankton, have transformed into kerogen, the precursor to oil. And we can heat this to convert it to oil. And there's also heavy oil, or oil sands. This stuff won't flow. You may have heard about it in Canada, where it's near the surface, it can be mined, and then heated, and the oil is released. Most is deeper though, and is recovered with a cleaner process that melts it underground by pumping in steam and then pumping out oil and water. These processes have environmental concerns. They use a lot of water, and they need a lot of heat. That usually comes from natural gas, and there are emissions from burning it. In terms of CO2, these processes emit 5 to 20% more than conventional oil. They're also significantly more expensive, but with oil prices rising, producers can afford to spend more to get it. And we'll need this new oil to meet growing global demand.